So I was asked to make a video about this grinder machine we have, and I can't remember the title, but this says Fixtures Grind STG 1-2 Shrouds cage. It's currently wired for two 33 phase. And let me just pop open this and I'll show you the controls for it. It's still stuck. That's the gasket. And it's got some motor controls, grinder motor controls, some switches, some breakers, miscellaneous other stuff. Nothing too crazy in here. Okay. It's got a 240 110 transformer on the side here for some reason. I think to power this vacuum that's back here. There's a vacuum. The vacuum. Little vacuum cleaner. And if you look underneath, it goes up under here. And I think it's right here. It hooks onto here. So the grinding wheel is here. This is a Setco. I don't know whether you can read that or not, because I sure can't without a flashlight. Let me just grab a flashlight. Just had a flashlight. Oh, here it is. The downside of getting old is you can't see. So this says Setco, and that is G101. It could be 6101.5.366 TY 62312. 1.5 horsepower, 250 volts, 460, 3-phase, 4 amps, whatever. It's got a nice grinding wheel on the bottom here. You can see it looks pretty much new. There's it's like an air cylinder here on the side, and I'm not exactly sure what that's for, but this is some kind of a grinding fixture. We do have air going to it. It's got a Norwegian regulator with a switch. So let me power this thing up and show you what it does. So we go to on, and right now I have it on emergency stop, so the red button's gone for some reason. Got knocked off. Turn it off. Okay, and then hit power. And you can see this is spinning pretty fast. Up here there's an adjustment for this to bring it down into the fixture. I don't want to bring it all the way down. I don't want it to contact anything, just in case. The table itself is adjustable, so this slows the table down. I don't know what zero means, but actually I take it back. 0, it doesn't move. And then it goes all the way up to 100. And it also looks like right here on this control, if you turn the control, you can see back in here, there's a wheel that's attached to this, and then it hooks up on this dial gauge, and it goes, by like hundreds. There's some kind of a couple of fixtures here. And then, I can turn the table off, I can turn the wheel off. That's going to take a while to spin down. Cold air gun. That was probably a chip blower or something like that. And the collector, which is off because I think there's a breaker in the panel that's off for it, because that doesn't turn anything on. But wheel turns on, table turns on. And like I said, it's got an emergency stop. Everything's off now, and flip it back on. Probably replace the switch. It comes on this cart. I'll do a little walk around here. We've had this listed. I had a couple of questions on it, so I decided to make this video. Nice piece, came from the government. They were doing something with it. I would guess it's got something to do with fixture grind shrouds. So they were grinding some kind of shroud. I'm sure it could be adapted to something else or used for parts or something. Let me know if you have any questions. I will try and answer them or get you better pictures or whatever else you need. Thank you.